Happy Friday!
Hey, it's Mark and Megan for a weekly Geek real quick.
Okay, so I just wanted to tell you, we have a new ebook platform called Fall It Shelf, and we're going to start having all that information up for you, and I'm going to send you an email, so look in your inbox for that. Also, I just wanted to share with you a trial of National Geographic. I don't know how to... Oh, maybe if I just minimize it. Haha. So Adriana sent you an email. It should look like this. For a trial subscription of the National Geographic Virtual Library, click on this link. It'll link you to the trial. And if you look, you can have the National Geographic Virtual Library and the National Geographic Kids. Middle school teachers, look at that National Geographic Kids. It's got some really good resources.
Sounds great.
So to access the trial and browse around, see what you think. And we're thinking about getting this database, so give us your feedback, please.
Great.
So...
National Geographic and Magnetic Poetry, right?
Yes.
Today's the
yes.
day.
Magnetic Poetry. Today is the last day to vote. We would really appreciate it if everyone could make their way down to the library to vote, because we want to give out those great prizes to the best poems.
I just wanted to share out a couple of quick apps here. Cloud On is an app that kind of mimics Microsoft products, which is pretty cool. So if you're familiar with Microsoft stuff, you can connect up. The disadvantage, as you can see, is that it works through the cloud, so sometimes it can be a little bit laggy.
Yeah.
But it looks a lot like Microsoft, so if you're comfortable with that, it works pretty slick that way. And you can do PowerPoints, you can do Excel, and you can do Microsoft Word, and it is free.
And it's a free app, yeah.
It's a free app.
So check it out.
Another one that we have been using quite a bit, we did a little tutorial last night on, is Pages, which is a very cool one too. And Pages is the app we'll probably be using mostly for word processing, and that's a pretty nice one here too. So we can get codes for people for that. And I also wanted to remind people of a couple other ones down here that are pretty fun. This is called Socrative. And Socrative is a quiz and polling and testing app that we can use that's pretty cool. It's free for 50 users.
Okay.
So you can put 50 kids on there and have
So a couple
polling
classes worth.
quizzes. One of the great things about it is they have a pre-made template for an exit ticket.
Oh, nice.
So you can shoot it out there. Kids can do it on their iPads, and they will be ready to go. And that's called Socrative. There's a teacher download for free, and then a student one, which is on all the iPads already. So it's really cool. The teacher sets it up, has a class number. You just punch in the number, and you are good to go. And the other thing I wanted to remind people of is this one. This is just a really important app to have on your iPhone and your iPad. It's called Find My iPhone, and it allows you to track down your iPhone using the GPS and Wi-Fi on there. And it's helped us find stuff a couple of times. And you know, a couple of days ago, I had my iPhone, and I was changing to go running, and I left my iPhone where I was changing, got home, and was like, oh, where did I leave that? I was able to look up, see it was right there.
Yep.
We'll be using that quite a bit. So if you don't have that on your iPhone or your iPad, just download it, and we can search for your iPhone, iPad using your Apple ID, which is pretty cool.
It is really cool, and you can find it from a computer, which is great.
Yeah.
So
from anything you can find it. It just kind of gives you that nice feeling. So.
Yeah. The security of knowing that you could track down something.
Exactly. Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend. Enjoy the sun.